And now as we kick off the new work week, we'll take a look at what is on the agenda for the Sioux City City Council's meeting tomorrow evening. The City Council is expected to accept a state transit assistance grant from the Iowa Department of Transportation totaling over $480,000. The money will be used to cover operating or capital expenses required to support the city's public transit services. In the council agenda, City Council notes they plan to modernize the infrastructure of Sioux City's public transportation fleet and facilities. City Council will consider giving the owner of a 14-unit apartment building a 90-day delay before potentially ordering demolition. That building is located on 9th Street in Sioux City. According to the council agenda packet, the building was declared a dangerous and dilapidated structure in 2016. Over 20 code violations were listed for the building, including multiple apartments having power shut off for multiple years, the building's boiler being disconnected, and piping being declared irreparable, leaking roofs, and roach infestations. The building's new owner is requesting the council grant a 90-day delay in demolition to complete necessary repairs.